Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix a Tahoe door handle. First, identify if your handle is loose, doesn't open, or feels disconnected. You'll need a few basic tools, such as a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a plastic trim removal tool. Having the correct replacement parts on hand, like a new handle or clips, will make the repair process much smoother and quicker. Now, let's get to the heart of the problem. Begin by gently prying off the interior door panel. Use a plastic trim removal tool to avoid scratching your vehicle's finish. Once the panel is loose, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors for windows or locks and detach the door handle and lock cables. This will give you full access to inspect the internal handle mechanism and diagnose the exact point of failure. With the problem identified, it's time for the repair. If a small plastic clip is broken, simply replace it. For more extensive damage, you might need to install a completely new handle assembly. Before reassembly, apply a small amount of silicone lubricant to any moving parts to ensure smooth operation and prevent future issues. Then, carefully reconnect all cables and electrical connectors, making sure they are securely fastened. After reassembling everything, it's crucial to thoroughly test the door handle. Open and close the door several times, checking both the interior and exterior handles to ensure they operate smoothly and securely. For long-term maintenance, consider regularly cleaning and lubricating your door mechanisms with a suitable product like white lithium grease or a silicone spray. Also, for those who love to read, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's perfect for reading anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.